Good morning. My name is Fidelis Ikefa. I'm a teacher of maths, and today we are discussing mathematical symbol. Before we proceed, I would like to inform you that this is a charity teaching. What I mean by that is community interest teaching, whereby we teach, upload it in our online system, and everybody in the world will be able to view it. And children who are having, or students or learners all over the world who have a problem with mathematics will be able to access this online video, and that will be able to help them. As I said, it's a community interest teaching, and at the end of the teaching, we expect you to help us out, because we really need the state-of-the-art teaching materials in order for us to produce a high-quality teaching for students of mathematics all over the world. So we are starting with addition, which is plus. What this one means is that if I say add 2 to 2, it means 2 plus 2. And what that means is that the answer will be 4. That's what we mean by addition sign, which is plus. This means plus. Plus means you have to add. Another people will say, well, you add together. So in order for you to get the same answer. So that is the meaning of plus. And the sign is this, which is a cross sign. It means you have to add together. So we now proceed to the second one, which is a minus sign. A minus sign is just, this is the sign for minus. It's a minus. For some of us who our language is not first English, sometimes we can say remove. It's the same thing, because if you check the Advanced Learner Dictionary, Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, they will tell you minus could call it means to remove. But sometimes when you are teaching in an English-speaking country where their language is first English, when you pronounce this, some students will say, oh, no, this is not how we used to say it here. But that's the correct thing, it's very correct. So when we say minus, it means remove. If I say remove 5 from 9, so it means 9 minus 5, which is equals to 4. So that is the answer for that. So you can equally say minus 5 away from 9. You could equally say minus 5 away from 9. It means 9 minus 5. Say answer will give you 4. I think this one is clear enough for everyone. So we'll move on to the next one, which we call multiplication. To multiply. To multiply. Some people will say multiplication. So it means if I say 3 multiply by 3, it means 3 times 3. So it will give us 9. The answer will be 9. If I say multiply 5 by 2, it means 5 times 2. And the answer will have will be 10. So this one of the signs you have to notice, take notice of. And the sign, the mathematical sign for multiplication, I have to write it. Mathematical sign for multiplication will be S. This is the sign for multiplication. When you see this sign in maths or in any maths textbook, it means multiply. Multiply maybe 2 by 2 will give us what? 4. That is signs of multiplication. Or we can say multiply. Then we have to divide. Or we can call it or division. It means you have to share. Divide actually means share. Or, yeah, share according to how it is given to you. If I say, divide 4 by 2, it actually means we have to share this particular 4 to this particular 2. This could be 2 oranges, and here could be 2 persons. So, in other words, you can see it in mathematical books that will say 4 all over 2. It means 4 to be divided by 2. So, if you share this, if you cancel out, you can say 2 here, 1, 2 here will be 2. So, 2 all over 1 is equals to 2. So, the answer will be 2. So, it could be written as divided by. If I say divide 4, I say divide 4 by 2. It's the same thing, which is 4 divided by 2. The answer will give us 2. That means 4 things. If you want to do it in a very simple way, you can write down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was how we're taught. So you share it to 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can say the answer will give us 2. So it's the same thing. So in maths, the most important signs that we need to know are plus sign, minus sign. This one is minus. Multiplication sign. This one's multiplication. Then we have divide sign. This one is the sign for divide. Or you can say divided by. So these are the most important signs that we see in mathematics. When we talk about science in math, these are the basic signs. So sometimes most of these signs we turn them around and we give you another value. We will get there in subsequent video, which we'll be able to upload on this particular platform. Then we move on to other signs, which will be of great interest to you. We'll move on with other signs. I hope I'm not too fast with my explanation. Please, if I'm too fast with my explanation, please just give us a comment and press the button to tell us that, okay, maybe we are too fast with the explanation. Then we have a sign of plus, minus. Sometimes we normally see this in equation, in the one we are solving quadratic equation. This says this sign means plus or minus. These are the signs for plus or minus. So it could be, for example, if I say 2 plus minus 5. If I say 2 plus minus 5, so the answer could be in 2. One, it would be 2 plus 5, which is 7, or it would be 5 minus 2, which is 3. So we'll have two different answers. So these are the signs I will use for plus minus sign. I told you sometimes when we are doing some equation of factorization, you come across most of these signs. Then we'll move on to another sign. The first sign we'll talk about is not equals to. It means not equal to. If I say, I can say 5 is equals to 5, which is correct. It's a correct statement. 5 is equals to 5. If I say 3 is equals to 5, it's wrong. It's very wrong because 3 is not equals to 5. 3 is not equals to 5. So for us to write this, we'll say 3 is not equals to 5. It should be the correct answer. This one is right, this one is wrong, this one is right. So these are the signs we use. When we are solving equation or we are solving something, we say it's not equals to. This is the sign we use for not equals to. I have come across so many students that why I decided to come up with this particular mathematical symbol is that